Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to paginate comments in a WordPress post. So let's get started. I have opened up my WordPress website over here, and this is a post in my website. And if we scroll down, we can see that there are 4 comments to this post. Now I'll show you how to paginate these comments so that these comments will be displayed in pages. Now since we have only 4 comments, it won't be a great idea to display them in pages. But just for the purpose of demonstration, we will display 2 comments on a page. Now before doing that, let's discuss some things on pagination of comments. Now having a lot of comments on a post is a great thing because it shows the visitor that this post is being read by a lot of people and it has a lot of engagement. So it encourages the user to read the article. So you should always try to get the most amount of engagements on your article. But one of the problems with a lot of comments is that the page will load a lot slower when you have a lot of comments. So in that case, it is a great idea to add pagination to your comments. So when you add pagination to your comments, the server has to load only a limited number of comments, which will increase the loading speed of the page. Another thing about a lot of comments is that they can affect the keyword density of your article. So if you have a lot of comments, all the people won't be discussing about the main keyword of your article. So it will be difficult for the search engine to index your article for the right keyword. So it is always a good idea to paginate your comments. Now WordPress has a setting already in place to add pagination to your comments. So let's go to the dashboard of our website. And then you have to go to settings and then click on discussion. Now in other comment settings, we have a setting called break comments into pages. So we have to tick that option. We also have some other options over here to display the comments just like the way you want it to be displayed. Alright, for now let's keep the comments count to 2 per page just for this demonstration. So let's go ahead and click on save changes over here. Alright, now let's go to our post and let's click on refresh. And here we can see it says there are 4 comments on this post, but you can see only 2 comments over here. And if you click on older comments, we see 2 more comments over here. Let's add 1 more comment and see what happens. And click on post. And here we can see there are 5 comments on this post, and here we can see our last page. If you click on older comments, we can see the older comments, and if you click on older comments again, we can see the other 2 comments over here. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. We have added pagination to the comments on our post, and now it will be easier for us to maintain the keyword density and all those problems that come with a lot of comments, and also come up with a good number over here so that it won't be too low or too high. So you can go ahead and test different numbers over here and see which one works best for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.